Wow, that sure looks nice. Boy, you want to learn how to install a wall sconce? See what was up there before? That's the light fixture that was up there before. You want to learn how to install a wall sconce like this. Stick around. I'm getting ready to install a wall sconce. I took the existing light fixture off the wall, and here's the existing light fixture that I took off the wall. I ended up having to put a cut-in box in here because the existing wires, there's a 1x4 back there, and I put in a pancake box. I could have put in a cut-in box like this, and this deal pushes in to the wall, and then you tighten up the screws, and that pulls this right up tight with the plywood behind there. I couldn't do that because a 1x4 was in my way. Okay, so lucky for me, I brought two different cutting boxes that I can do. Now I'm going to put the wall sconce in. Well, the wall sconce isn't really set up for a light fixture. You know, we got this at the store. Isn't that cool? That's going to be the wall sconce. And we couldn't just install it without doing some thought process here. I had to go to the store and buy that, because then that's going to fit up in there. And then I have to have a wire, pre-finished wire, which is going to be this little goodie right here. I got it at the hardware store, had them cut it. And I had 3 wall sconces to do, and this is my last one. So then this is the finished piece that gets connected from there, and then it loop-de-loops, and it goes into this box. How are we going to put it into that box? Well, that's what this video is all about. You want to learn how to do that? Stick around. Now, how are we going to do that, Joe? How are we going to do that? Well, there's no right or wrong reason to do that. Here's the existing wire I ended up putting in the box. I'm just going to take a flat plate like that. There's a round knockout in the center of that. And I'm going to actually take that and surface mount it and screw it right into the plywood. And I looked at this. This wasn't painted before. It's got some goobers right in there. Really not going to see that stuff once we get the wall sconce up. But see, at the store they had 2 different sizes. I ended up getting a bigger one too, and I might decide to put that on there like that, and I can just do that, and that might be what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to kind of look at that, make a decision if I'm going to like that or not. See that hole? We're going to knock that out. Take my cutters here, and I see which way it's going to push out. This way. I can hit that. Come on. There. Okay, get that out of there. Now let me think about this here for a moment. I'm going to put this blank plate over there. I'm going to have this wire coming out of it like that, coming over to that wall sconce over there. Okay, so that means I'm going to put this little gizmo in there facing that way, because it's going to push out that direction. Okay, so I'm going to take that and just push it in there. That way, or can I pull this out? Let's think about this here for a minute. Okay, I think maybe I'll do it this way. And I can push this wire through there. Come on. It wants to push through this way like that. now I can pull on it like that. See, that can be the part that sticks out of the wall. I mean, I don't really care which way it pulls out of the wall. I can pull it like that. And I'll have this side facing out since that tape's on there. Doesn't really matter. And maybe that's probably all the wire I need to go into the wall. I can make that up, push it in there. Okay, I'll have this piece sticking out, I guess. Now see, I can't pull it back, so if you want to pull out further, you can pull this back out and start again. Okay. And so I'll strip the wire. I'll take that and strip the wire back. However I want to do it. And my sheetrock knife is not the sharpest. Not the sharpest tool. It's kind of old. See how old that is? It's rusty and stuff. I could change it. You know, I think I can strip out that much wire. Like that. I can peel that back and I can cut this off. Cutters. And then it looks like it's got some paper here. Some, you know, just some stuff that's wrapped around each wire. We'll gently cut that stuff off of there. Boy. Like that. Now I can strip these ends off, and I'll probably do it a little bit more than that. There's different little hole sizes on the cutter. Looks like a black one. I might want to do a little bit more. And then I take that's stranded wire. That means it's all little pieces. Okay. So I just kind of wrap it around itself. That way I can make that like stiff. Then I've got to get some wire nuts. I'm going to use some little orange ones. I went to the hardware store. I got a little container like this, and it's got different colors, red, yellow. You see there's an orange one there. I even got some little blue tiny ones, and then even some little gray ones. Okay, so you can get different ones at the store. Because see, the yellow ones could work too. Because that's 12 gauge wire. If it was 14 gauge wire, maybe these yellow ones wouldn't work. But I do believe those will work. Besides, maybe I don't want to use all my orange ones up. But look, I've got enough orange ones. I got 3 orange ones there, 3 yellow ones. So I'm just going to have to decide which ones to use. Okay, that's your next step. Okay, let's see here. There it is. There's my wire. I can put some silicone around that, and I'll have to put some paint touch match up on here. This is where the other light fixture went, all the way down here. Once I get the wall sconce up, then I can still paint that and all that. Okay. So that's my next step to my project before I get ready to install this wall sconce over here. Stick around, I'll show you the rest. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.